Welcome back to Condo, where we explore beautiful design ideas that help you create elegant and inspiring living spaces, no matter the square footage. Today, we're uncovering clever condo styling secrets that bring refined luxury into compact homes while maintaining comfort, functionality, and personality. If you've ever wondered how luxury designers make smaller spaces feel expansive, sophisticated, and effortlessly stylish, this video is for you. We'll share practical techniques that transform ordinary condos into polished retreats that feel both welcoming and upscale. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite condo decorating challenge. Your support helps Condo continue bringing you fresh interior design inspiration every week. One of the most effective ways to create a luxurious atmosphere in a condo is through a carefully coordinated color palette. Soft neutrals, warm earth tones, and subtle layered shades help establish visual continuity throughout the home. When colors flow naturally from one area to another, the space feels larger and more harmonious. Instead of abrupt transitions, choose complementary tones that connect living rooms, dining spaces, and bedrooms with elegance. Luxury often feels calm rather than busy. Limiting your palette to a few thoughtfully selected colors creates a refined foundation that allows furnishings, textures, and decorative accents to shine. Lighting has the power to completely elevate the appearance of a compact condo. A striking pendant, sculptural chandelier, or artistic floor lamp can instantly become a focal point that adds sophistication and character. Layered lighting is equally important. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and flexibility throughout the day. This approach makes rooms feel more dynamic and visually rich. Warm lighting temperatures often contribute to a luxurious ambience. They soften surfaces, highlight textures, and create an inviting environment that feels comfortable while still appearing upscale. Luxury design is rarely about filling a room with more items. Instead, it focuses on selecting fewer pieces that offer superior craftsmanship, timeless appeal, and lasting functionality. A beautifully tailored sofa, a sophisticated coffee table, or a pair of elegant accent chairs can have far greater impact than a collection of inexpensive furnishings competing for attention. By reducing visual clutter and choosing pieces intentionally, you create breathing room within the condo. This sense of spaciousness contributes significantly to an elevated and refined atmosphere. Mirrors remain one of the most powerful tools in compact living design. They reflect light, visually double certain views, and create the impression of a larger, more open environment. Positioning a large mirror opposite a window helps distribute natural light deeper into the room. This simple technique can make even a modest condo feel brighter and more expansive. For a luxurious touch, choose mirrors with elegant frames, unique shapes, or contemporary detailing that complements the overall design aesthetic while serving a practical purpose. Texture is often the secret ingredient behind sophisticated interiors. Even a neutral space can feel incredibly luxurious when multiple textures are thoughtfully combined. Consider incorporating velvet cushions, woven fabrics, natural wood, stone surfaces, brushed metals, and plush area rugs. These layers create visual interest without overwhelming the room. The goal is balance rather than excess. By mixing smooth and tactile finishes, your condo gains warmth, depth, and a designer quality appearance that feels curated and intentional. Many condo owners focus only on floor space, but vertical design opportunities can dramatically enhance both function and style. Tall shelving, floor to ceiling drapery, and elevated artwork draw the eye upward. This visual movement creates the perception of higher ceilings and larger rooms. It also allows you to add storage and decorative displays without consuming valuable floor area. When styling shelves, combine books, sculptural objects, plants, and decorative accessories in balanced arrangements. This creates a sophisticated display that feels organized and luxurious. In compact condos, every piece of furniture should work intelligently. Multifunctional designs allow you to maintain elegance while maximizing efficiency and comfort. Storage ottomans, extendable dining tables, nesting tables, and beds with integrated storage help reduce clutter while preserving valuable square footage. These solutions support a cleaner, more refined aesthetic. The best multifunctional furniture blends seamlessly into the design rather than appearing purely practical. Look for pieces that offer both beauty and utility to achieve a polished result. Luxury interiors often feel personal because every decorative element has been selected with purpose. Instead of filling shelves with random accessories, curate meaningful pieces that tell a story. Artwork, sculptural objects, books, ceramics, and carefully chosen greenery can add character while maintaining visual sophistication. Quality and placement matter more than quantity. Creating small vignettes throughout the condo helps establish focal points and visual rhythm. These thoughtful arrangements contribute to a home that feels both elegant and uniquely yours. Today, we've explored clever condo styling secrets that help transform compact living spaces into refined, luxurious environments. From cohesive color palettes and statement lighting to layered textures and curated details, each strategy contributes to a more sophisticated home. Remember that luxury is not defined by size. It comes from thoughtful choices, intentional design, and creating spaces that support both beauty and everyday living. Even the smallest condo can feel extraordinary with the right approach. Thank you for watching Go Condo. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next design-inspired episode.